Today we are here with the company Evolve, with Mr. Wollersheim. And please, could you elaborate on a little what you are exhibiting today?
Yeah, warm welcome to everybody. That's the reason why I'm here. So our expertise is in drone batteries, and this is our product. And in order to understand the real advantage of our product, I have placed it nearby a very common product which is used in the drone business.
Yes.
This is 100% made in China, 444 watt hours of energy content, 2.5 kilograms of weight, and not the smallest one, as you can see.
Yes.
In comparison, a product made in Germany, 444 watt hours as well, but half the size and 600 gram less of weight, which gives every drone operator significantly more flight time, range or payload.
Highly interesting.
But this is not the only gimmick. We also have put some know-how and thoughts in the charging and thermal conditioning of the battery. So if this battery comes back from flight, it goes into the charging system, which is shown here. Charging procedure starts with a status check of the battery. Whenever it has seen some harmful conditions during flight, then it is marked as defective and will not be charged anymore. Otherwise, the battery is brought to the optimum charging temperature and is then fully charged for the next drone mission. As well, if the battery has been cooled down, maybe during night, then the system brings the battery back to normal operating conditions. So this thermal conditioning system can heat and cool as well.
That is highly versatile and especially good for minus temperature environments, and especially also when it comes back very hot. So
exactly, that's the point.
Thank you very much for the elaborations. Good luck for you.
You're welcome. Thank you.